At Woody's, our goal is to create high-quality clothing that fits perfectly. We're committed to making sustainably sourced, durable clothing with incredible value. Our performance chinos are loved by backers and press alike. And now we're back to hit the trail once more. Introducing the next generation performance shorts. The next generation performance shorts have all the innovative features you love in our performance chinos. Using the same smart stretch blended fabric, the shorts are lightweight, flexible, and tough. The fabric keeps you cool by wicking away moisture and is antimicrobial, so you can wear the shorts more and wash less. Water and stain resistant, these shorts keep you looking clean and fresh, even when life gets in the way. We wanted to stay true to the classic aesthetic of the short, but add modern functionality. These shorts have features you'll love, including 2 secure zippered back pockets to keep valuables safe, and a hidden RFID blocking pocket within the front pocket. And we're using durable hardware, including a custom clasp button. At Woody's, your shorts are custom made for you, no one else. Choose any waist size and short length. With all of our clothes, we guarantee a perfect fit. We're making durable and sustainable shorts, individually sewn for you. And we've partnered with a renowned environmentally friendly fabric mill. We can't wait for you to get out there and put these shorts to the test. Be part of this movement and back our project today.